how to find lock screen notifications settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find lock screen notifications settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here just click notifications and then click notifications again. Click settings, click here settings and then click notifications, and now just scroll down until you find lock screen notifications, and here you can manage it as you see. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.